Hi students. Okay, so income tax, a new subject to you, and in this subject totally we are going to deal with the tax, nothing but how to calculate the tax in all the situations, nothing but how many incomes you are getting. Okay, regarding all those incomes, how much of tax we have to calculate. Okay, so that point, nothing but those things we are going to learn over here. So first one is introduction. You just don't see that it is introduction. So under this we have so many topics. Already have sent a syllabus to you. Okay, so in this introduction topic we have nothing but we are going to learn that actually what is a tax, okay, who has to pay the tax, and agricultural income regarding residential status. So many topics we have under unit 1, okay, and it is a lengthy topic. Next, coming to the unit 2, under unit 2 we are going to learn the income from salary, nothing but if salary we are getting, on that salary how much of income, on that of salary how much of tax we are going to pay, those things we are going to learn over here. And next one is income from house property, profits and gains of business or profession, capital gains and income from other sources. So by saying this only five units, nothing but same as usual in remaining subjects. Here also we are going to learn the 5 units, okay, but total it is a very lengthy syllabus. Total it is very lengthy syllabus for you, so you have to cooperate with me, learn day wise. Nothing but if today I have started the topic means compulsory today itself you have to learn it. And here we don't show any difference between all the 5 units. If suppose you are perfect in the first unit, then only you will be getting the second unit, okay. Then first unit is related to the second unit, third unit, fourth unit and fifth unit. Okay, first unit is very important and is basic unit, compulsory. You should be perfect in that first unit. Nothing but in first unit itself I am going to explain the nothing but how to calculate the tax in all the cases. Okay, total basic contents of tax are all contained in the first unit itself. Okay ra, సో జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్, నథింగ్ బట్ ట్యాక్స్ మనం ఎట్లా పే చేయాలి, అవునా, ఎవరెవరు ట్యాక్స్ కట్టాలి, ఏ సిచ్యువేషన్స్లో ట్యాక్స్, ఏ ఇన్కమ్స్కి మనం ట్యాక్స్ కడతాం. ఓకే, సో ఈ 5 యూనిట్స్ మనకు ఉన్నాయి. సో 5 యూనిట్స్లో మీకు ఏ ఒక యూనిట్ మీరు నేర్చుకోవాలన్నా ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ టోటల్ బేసిక్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ ఈ యూనిట్ సమ్ చేయాలన్నా ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ బేసిక్స్ వస్తాయి. ఫోర్త్ యూనిట్ ప్రాఫిట్స్ అండ్ గెయిన్స్ ఆఫ్ బిజినెస్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొఫెషన్, దానికి ట్యాక్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలని ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ బేసిక్స్ వస్తాయి. సో మీరు ఏం చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంటంటే డే టు డే ఈరోజు ఏమైతే నేను క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నానో ఆ క్లాస్ నోట్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఆ క్లాస్ చదవాలి, అది గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఇలా చేస్తేనే మీరు ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ పాస్ అవుతారు, అదైతే పక్కా షూర్. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా, ఇంత గట్టిగా చెప్తున్నానంటే మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, సో totally 5 units. Okay, today I am going to start with the introduction. In introduction also, just today I am going to explain that how we have to calculate nothing but what is an income tax. Okay, regarding the income tax I am going to explain nothing but what is the tax, what are direct taxes, what are the indirect taxes, those things I am going to explain today. Okay, before that, actually what is a tax? Okay, unit 1 introduction topic. Sima, the term tax means statutory payment to be paid by the public and imposed by the government. The word tax is derived from a Latin word taxere. It means estimate or value. So here no need to write for me. Why I have written means for to understand you better, అంటే మీకు బెటర్గా అర్థం కావడానికి కోసం నేను ఇక్కడ రాసిన. సో జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి అమ్మా. The term tax means a statutory payment to be made by the public and imposed by the government. Nothing but what is the meaning of tax here means here we have to pay a certain amount to the government. Okay, certain amount we have to pay to the government, that is imposed by the government. Okay, then the word tax is derived from a Latin word tax, and nothing but the word tax, it has been derived from which word? From a Latin word, that is taxere. Taxere means what? Estimate or value. Nothing but here we are going to estimation or value, nothing but rupees. Okay, next, taxere is a compulsory payment by a person to the government. Tax is nothing but it is compulsory payment, nothing but the payment which compulsory a particular person who is earning. Okay, then that person he has to pay the amount to the government. Okay, so next afterwards, the Constitution of India does not define the word tax, but according to article 366 subsection 366(28) of the Indian Constitution, taxation includes the imposition of any tax, general or special, and tax shall be constructed accordingly. So actually what happened means here a constitution, then but they have not defined what is the meaning of statistics, but they have given an article in Indian constitution. What they have said about taxation means nothing but a certain amount should be paid to government. It may be in a kind form also. Generally a public who is earning an income, okay, as per if income is more than a basic exempted limit, then compulsory that particular person he has to pay the amount to whom, to the government. That is a point over there. That point they have mentioned in the Indian constitution, article 366 subsection 28. Okay, that is a point here. So once again, Seema, what is the tax? That is nothing but a compulsory payment a person should pay to the government. So here what we have to think is that all the persons they have to pay the amount to the government. No, here what certain limit will there. If a person is crossing that exemption limit, okay, that exemption limit, then only he has to pay the tax to the government. That is compulsory. So what are the characteristics of tax over here? You see, tax can be or shall be imposed by government only. It will be imposed by whom? By the government only. Taxes are paid in the form of cash. It is paid only in the form of cash. The aim of laying tax is to promote the welfare of the people living in the country. So why they are collecting the tax? For the welfare of the people. So actually the tax mainly what happened means, what they will say means, if suppose a person is earning more income to keep him in limit, the government will collect a certain amount from him, nothing but to maintain a balance between the rich and poor people. That is a point over here. Next, the object of tax is to raise revenue to the government. What is the object of tax? Raise. How the government will run? By taking the tax only. It will take the tax in the two forms, direct tax and indirect tax. So tax is a legal collection. Tax is collected by government, so it is a legal collection. Payment of tax involves an element of sacrifice. Yes, payment of tax, nothing but a particular person, if suppose he is paying a tax, means automatically he is paying his hard earned money. So that's why it is an element of sacrifice, nothing but he is sacrificing his amount. Tax may be imposed on income or wealth or in a commodity. Tax may be imposed on income or a wealth or in a commodity, okay, either directly or indirectly. Nothing but here what happens is tax will be on our income, on our wealth or in commodity also. Either it may be directly or indirectly. In the both the forms you will pay the tax over here. So this is the basics regarding the tax. Okay, so listen carefully, ma. From day one, today I have started the income tax subject. From day one itself maintain the notes. ఓకేనా, నోట్స్ రాయండి అమ్మా. పర్టికులర్ నోట్స్ రాస్తేనే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది, లేకపోతే తర్వాత చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడాల్సి వస్తుంది. నేను ఏదైతే నోట్స్ రాయకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా థియరిటికల్గా చెప్పేయచ్చు. నేను ఎందుకు ఇది రాసి పెడుతున్నానంటే ఈ పాయింట్స్ రేపు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, ఈ పాయింట్స్ నోట్ చేసుకొని ఒకసారి చదివితే మీకు ఒక ఐడియా అనేది వస్తుంది. సో ఇది బేసిక్ ఒక ట్యాక్స్ గురించి మాత్రమే నేను చెప్పిన. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ట్యాక్స్, తర్వాత డైరెక్ట్ ట్యాక్సెస్, ఇండైరెక్ట్ ట్యాక్సెస్, సో మెనీ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఓకేనా, సో పర్టికులర్ మెయింటైన్ ది నోట్స్ ఓవర్ దేర్. ఓకే.